Hello and welcome to Mr. Tech Talks. In today's video tutorial, I will show you how to put a picture or an image into any shape in Canva. So let's jump right into that. Okay, log into your Canva homepage and click on Create Design, then Custom Design, and then put width as 1280 and height as 720. And then click Create New Design. Now upload your picture that you want to put into a shape in Canva. Now go to Elements and search for frames and select any shape that you want and drag it onto this blank page. Now go to your uploads and pull this picture into this shape. Now you can double click and adjust or reposition the shape, the image. Okay, so once you are satisfied, go to frames and explore some other shapes. So look for another shape that you wanna put your picture into. So let's suppose pick this one here. And now again go to your uploads and pull that picture to this frame. Double click and readjust or reposition your image. Okay. So now explore some more. Select a different frame this time. Maybe a frame that has some outline. Okay, this one here. All right, now go to uploads again, select your picture or photo, drop it onto this frame. Now you can change the outline you can change the outline of this frame as well, the color of the outline. If you click on it and click on this color here, orange color, there are different options here. You can select any outline color. Now let's take a look at another shape, this circular shape with an outline. Go to upload, drop your photo here. You can change the outline again as you desire. Alright, so you can keep whatever you want to keep or you like it, and you can even download this image or a photo as a PNG or whatever the format you like and click on download. And that's all. Thanks for watching this short video tutorial. I hope you learned something new, and if you like this video, please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Mr. Tech Talks. See you next time. Bye for now.